The Yeedi M12 PRO Gen2 aims to deliver flagship-level cleaning power and dock automation without the premium cost. With advanced anti-tangle technology and precision laser navigation, it is designed to tackle pet messes across mixed flooring types. Check the link in the description for the best price. We analyzed how this robot manages daily cleaning tasks and navigation. The high-power vacuum system is exceptionally effective at pulling embedded dust and pet litter from carpet fibers. The specialized brush design directly targets long hair and pet fur to keep the machine running smoothly. Laser-based mapping ensures efficient coverage, allowing the robot to navigate around obstacles and furniture with high precision. The automated docking station significantly reduces the time you need to spend on daily mop and dustbin maintenance. The high-suction system and specialized anti-tangle brush make this robot highly effective for daily pet hair management and deep cleaning. We evaluated the overall value proposition against market standards. The combination of high suction and specialized hair handling is extremely relevant for maintaining floors in animal-heavy households. The automated dock covers nearly all repetitive maintenance tasks, providing a genuinely hands-free cleaning experience for the owner. The breadth of included features is surprisingly complete, offering capabilities usually found in much more expensive robotic units. It remains a very strong hardware value when compared to established premium units from other industry leaders. This model provides an unusually complete set of automation and cleaning features that justifies the investment for busy households. We assessed the potential drawbacks and areas of uncertainty. High suction figures alone do not always translate into perfect carpet cleaning, so expectations should be managed accordingly. Because this is a newer release, it does not yet have a multi-year track record regarding long-term reliability. Even with an automated dock, you must still perform periodic cleaning of water trays and filters to maintain performance. The backing of a recognized company like Ecovacs offers better peace of mind than purchasing from unknown marketplace brands. Buyers should be aware that peak performance numbers require consistent maintenance, and this is a newer model with less long-term data. If you are balancing a busy pet-filled household and want advanced automation, this model is a strong contender. It delivers impressive cleaning specs and a very capable docking station for the price. While it lacks years of field reliability data, it remains a recommended choice for those seeking a modern, high-performance cleaning solution.